Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to do a very natural, subtle, almost everyday makeup look. It's almost like a no makeup look because I'm gonna do a very light, very sheer coverage makeup. So before we get started, I'd like to say that I'm almost very near to 1000 subscribers, and that is all because of you guys. Thank you so much. And if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. So before doing any kind of makeup, be it sheer coverage, light, medium or full coverage makeup, you have to wash and moisturize your face. So I have already washed my face and now I will just moisturize it. And to moisturize my face, I use my Cetaphil moisturizing cream. Now I will start with my eyebrows and I will try to make them look as natural as possible. I do not want them to be very dense or very thick. For the eyes, I'll be using only one eyeshadow, and that too a very neutral, natural color, and that is just to give a little intensity to the eye. Okay, so I've applied very little eyeshadow. I don't know if you guys can make out the difference, but it is really there and it has really given my this eye a little pop, a little more intensity, and it looks really natural. And instead of using a eyeliner, I like to apply a brown or a black eyeshadow in place of the eyeliner, and right now I'll be applying a brown eyeshadow. So if you can notice, it does not exactly look like a eyeliner, but it has given a lot of intensity, especially to my lash line. And now I will just apply my mascara and we'll be done with the eyes. So for the face, I'll be using a stick, and I'm using a stick because it is small and this one is like really thin. So I always get a very natural sheer coverage with this stick. I've used this like 1000 times and I can never get a full coverage with it. I always get this amazing natural look. Now I will not do any contouring, but still to give a little color to the face, I will apply very little blush. And finally I will apply lipstick. So I'm using a very brownish nude shade, and on top of it I will apply very little red color, and I'll just mix them both to get a new color. And that is it. That is how I do my makeup, and this is just a 10 to 15 minutes job, and if you're doing it on a regular basis, then I'm sure it should not take you more than 10 minutes at all. Now this kind of makeup is really useful. Obviously you can't wear it every day, but you can just wear it regularly, and at any occasion you can wear it to your office, to your job, or if you're going for a lunch with a normal lunch with your friends or family, or if you have or if you're going out in the evening, or even for late night, you can just totally wear it. And the best thing is that you can also wear this to parties and clubbing. You know, you go to parties and you dance and there is so much crowd, you tend to sweat a lot, but with this look you are ready, you are pretty ready for any party or clubbing, and you are already wearing a very little amount of makeup, so you won't sweat much. Okay guys, so I really hope that you liked this look. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that this video helped you, and I'll see you all in my next video.